What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from FtC&x. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Bluedee GH030 gaming headset. Now, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. So let's get into it. Starting with the unboxing, I'll just give you a quick walk around the box. This just tells you that it has noise cancellation. We're going to talk about that later in the video, and the fact that this headset is adjustable. And then towards the back, it just gives you more information about the company. And over here just gives you an overview of some of its features. Moving on now to the unboxing, just open up the flap and let's see what you get. Okay, so you get a large Ziploc bag here, which also has a flap. Let's open it up. Okay. So right away, we have access to the headphone. First impressions, it's a little bit wobbly, plasticky, but at the same time, this headphone goes for $70 currently, but there is a 30% off coupon at the moment. So you can probably get them for around $50. Moving on now to the other stuff that you get. Opening up this here, you get, let's see. So you do get your audio cable, and then you also have your USB to USB-C charger. Now these headphones do operate on a USB-C to charge, which is really nice. And then finally, you have your your USB stick, and this is just meant for you to connect to your PC or PS4, whatever the case may be. You just plug it in. It's just like the Sony headset. You just plug in the USB and you can begin using the headset. Now that we unboxed the headphone, let me give you a walk around of it. So right here on the microphone itself, you have these three dots, and this is the noise cancellation for the microphone. So the headphone itself does not feature noise cancellation, but the microphone does. And then on the other side here, you have the microphone itself. And then when it comes to controls, you have your mic on and off button. So what this does is just mutes you from the microphone so nobody can hear you. You have your volume down and up switch. Right here, you have your power button. Next, you have your USB-C input, which I really do like that this headphone utilizes USB-C. And then finally, you have your audio cable input. Sticking with the design, you have here these ear cushions that are made out of protein leather, and then within that protein leather is a high density foam. Same thing goes with the headband. Now the headphone does not fold in, but the headband does expand. So if you have a big head like I do, this is excellent. Moving on now to connectivity and battery life. So you have three different connection modes that you can utilize with this headphone. You have wirelessly, and with wireless, you get about 80 hours of battery life. Next, you have wired. You don't have to worry about the battery life when you're using it wired because it's wired. And then finally, you have the 2.4 gigahertz USB connection, which is if you do not have a Bluetooth device, you can just plug in this USB drive, and it pretty much, you can use the headphone wirelessly with that. And with this option, you get around 60 hours of battery life. Now it's time to talk features. This headphone features Bluetooth 5.0 technology as well as 50mm sound drivers, which delivers you stereo surround sound. Next, I wanted to test out the microphones. To do that, I wirelessly paired these headphones with my iPhone, and I used the voice memo app to record a phrase so you get a better understanding of how the microphone works. Check it out. What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from FtC&x. Testing. So that was the mic test. Let me know down below your thoughts. Now it's time for me to share with you my thoughts about these headphones and whether I think they are worth it or not. Now, these headphones go for $70 on Amazon, but there's currently a 20% coupon you can take advantage of. And as far as how it performed, sound-wise, it actually performed really well. Better than I thought it would, to be honest. Because I was expecting something that's going to be a little bit cheap, it's not going to work properly, but the truth of it is, it really did work well. Also, I didn't experience any latency, any delay in sound, but my only concern with the headphone is that it didn't go louder. It seemed like I used it to the max volume capacity that I can use it with, and I just didn't feel like it was very loud, at least for me. A couple of things I want to add to the review is the sound quality of these headphones were very, very good. But like I already mentioned previously, I just wish it was louder. Another thing is with the battery life, it worked just as expected. And like I already mentioned as well, I really did like the fact that this headphone uses a USB-C connection to charge it versus a micro USB. I also didn't experience any sound delays with this headphone, and when it came to comfort, it was very comfortable. I used it around 2 hours every time I did use it, and then the games I used it with is Grand Theft Auto 5 and Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Yes, I still play Call of Duty Modern Warfare. I think it's an amazing game, and I love it. And I also used it with my PS4 in case anybody's wondering. I also used it with my iPhone, but that's just to record the voice memo that you heard in the mic test. In summary, I would definitely recommend these headphones to anybody that is looking for a very budget-friendly gaming headset that delivers on all aspects and that is comfortable to wear while also having great battery life and very decent sound quality. So this was my unboxing and review of the Bluedee Wireless Headset. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.